Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to copy and paste beams and floors onto the levels above it, or any level you want. This tutorial is designed specifically for the teams that are building the structure with the straight columns, but this same principle will be used for both groups. So let's begin. It's a pretty easy process, really. This is probably going to be the shortest video. All you need to do is just select all the beams, hit filter, and unclick columns because you don't want to have anything else selected besides the structural framing or floors. Hit apply, okay. You can copy up the dimensions as well if you want to, but I'm just not going to do that in this tutorial, but all you have to do is just select them. So you would hit copy to clipboard, paste, down arrow, align to selected views, and we want to copy this to level 2 through level 10. So I'm going to click 2, hold down shift to level 10. I'm going to click OK. Just wait for it to load, it can take a while. And there you go. Now if we go to level 2, yes, we should see the same beams there. If you want them to look, 3D again, just change the detail level to medium. You can always change the appearance later on, but if we go to 3D view, then yes, we see all of the beams right there in each floor. And that is how you copy and paste to other floors.